Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about an interview question. How do you ensure testing efforts are continuously improving and adapting to changing user needs and their expectation? Then how will we answer this interview question? We are going to answer this interview question by step. The first thing what we should do is provide regular updates and progress on the testing activities and outcomes to end users as well as stakeholders. That is the first thing we should do. We should be keeping as much as transparent communication with the end users and stakeholders. That is a key thing we should do, and we should keep all our priorities and outcomes in a clear and accessible manner for all our stakeholders, including end users and customer. And once we are able to produce detailed reports which are very transparent in nature, we should also document the decisions whatever we are making by discussing with them, or actions which we are going to take post discussion with them, and outcomes. Everything we should keep documenting and maintaining in a centralized place. That provides a lot of transparency and accountability with the stakeholders plus our end customer as well. Once we are able to have a proper reporting mechanism, then we should adopt the regular retrospective we should perform. Postmortem on the regular basis on what has happened and what are the things we can improve upon by doing this regular retrospective. Then we should also start doing postmortem to reflect the outcomes of our testing efforts from the testing team. And postmortems, what are the new opportunities we can improve, or what are the new things we can bring into the testing bucket, so that is going to add lot of value addition to our stakeholders or end users. And the next thing what we should do is we should also ensure we take solicit feedback and input from the stakeholders and end users to gather insight into the area of enhancement and optimization. As we are keeping transparent with the stakeholders and end user, we should ensure we get enough feedback from the customer, various inputs from the customer, and also we should take their feedback in terms of enhancement as well as optimization we should make in terms of testing effort. We should also keep in mind. And the next thing what we should do is we should implement the feedback, whatever we have taken the feedback from the customer, we should implement those feedback, and we have to make an adjustment in our test strategy to accommodate those feedback, and based on the lesson learned via retrospective as well as postmortem which we did it in earlier, and we should adopt the best practices so that we can bring efficiency in our testing efforts. And the next thing what we should do is we should also keep monitoring industry trends, what is really happening in the space, in the testing space which we are working, and as well as any new emerging technologies have come up, and we have to keep staying informed about new testing approaches and methodologies which we can adopt in our project. That is going to bring lot of value addition to our customer or as well as stakeholders. And the next thing what we should do is we should also adopt a culture of experimentation and as well as innovation within the testing team. If we are not bringing experimentation and innovation, definitely we cannot bring a lot of continuous learning as well as improvement. We should always look for experimentation way of implementing and bringing innovation so that we can bring new things to our customers as well as end users. If we start adopting all these things in a step-by-step manner, in a very effective way, definitely we can make our end users as well as customer very happy whenever we are delivering any software testing project.